Welcome to Tina's Soul Kitchen. Let's bake the ultimate gluten-free peanut butter chocolate cookies. 225 grams gluten-free plain flour, 6 grams gluten-free baking powder, 1 gram salt, 1 gram ground cinnamon, 125 grams butter, softened, 100 grams castor sugar, 100 grams brown sugar, and mix for 5 minutes. One egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix for 2 minutes. $125 grams crunchy peanut butter, add the gluten-free flour. $30 grams roasted peanuts, chopped, 50 grams milk chocolate chips, 50 grams dark chocolate chips, Scoop the dough to form about 20 equal-sized balls. If your dough feels a little stiff, just press them down gently with your hands. From 20 balls. If the dough is too stiff, press it down gently. Bake for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Let to cool for 5 minutes. Let to cool completely. 50 grams dark chocolate, melted. Flaky sea salt to taste. Roasted peanuts, chopped to taste. Milk chocolate, chopped to taste. Just look at that perfect chewy center. These gluten-free cookies are an absolute dream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the full recipe. Enjoy!